Whoa.
Wow. Hold up, I'm gonna get my voice recorder. And nobody speak what had happened.